Hi, we're back again with the FMA Debrief, again with Audrey Long, Senior Manager of Education and the FMA Store, to talk about a fun event that we just had in Toledo. Tell us more.
Yes, we just finished our Coil Processing Workshop, and it was a great event attended by 100 people.
That's great.
And there were so many things that we offered, from a rousing keynote about metallurgy for people who don't understand metallurgy on a normal basis. So they were able to understand and get some key insights. We have great plant tours. Our plant tours were at Fulton County Processing and Nova Steel. People got to see inner workings that they don't normally see in their own facilities. We had several different sessions covering all type of topics. And then also we had networking.
Love it.
We always enjoy the networking. So people are able to visit sponsor tables. They were able to talk amongst themselves with the speakers and just solidify things that they needed to help them with their operation.
I love it. Great. Yeah. So if you're in the coil processing world, we do have another of this event coming up. Do you want to tell us about the next one?
Yes. Believe it or not, we are having the next session of the workshop April 2nd and 3rd, 2024. So set your sights, make your plans. We are going to Corpus Christi.
Nice. Yeah. So keep your eye on the FMA website for more information about the next coil processing workshop. We'll see you there.